Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have enjoyed playing classics like FIFA or PES, we do have another player with a new sensation hitting the market, the ultimate UFL football. So today I'm going to show you how to download and play the UFL open beta on your PlayStation, Xbox and PC all for free. So basically saying UFL football is a brand new football video game that makes playing feel very real and fun. Everyone is excited because you can play it for free while it is still being tested. So let's find out how you can start playing. So firstly, you got to open the uflgame.com and you will be redirected to this website. And on the right hand side, you can see download now tab. You just need to tap on the download now and choose your console. If it is PlayStation 5 or Xbox and click on it, you will be redirected to the new page. And from there, you would be redirected to the PlayStation Store. And you just got to sign in from there and download and install it. And you have to repeat the same process for Xbox too. However, for PC players, the UFL is not going to be available now. The developer team has confirmed that they are already working to bring new UFL to PC, although the current priority is to develop it exclusively for consoles. So that's it for this video. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.